Hi everyone, this is Daniel Chia. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about monetization through YouTube. As many of you know by now, in order to be eligible to monetize your YouTube channel, you have to be on the YouTube Partner Program. To be part of this program, you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. After you reach this criteria, YouTube can then place ads on your videos, and that's where you can start to earn passive income. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a few quick ways that will allow you to monetize your YouTube channel quickly. However, one thing that I will have to point out is this will not happen overnight. It takes a long time to build up a following of subscribers and watch hours in order to monetize your channel. For example, for myself, it took me more than 100 videos on my channel before I got my channel monetized. So do take that into consideration, and really nothing beats posting regular content. So the first step that I'm going to share with you guys is how to get your 1,000 subscribers quickly. So the best way is to engage your social media following. So this will allow you to get the people who are already following your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok accounts to click a link and subscribe to your YouTube channel. This will need you to prepare multiple posts and even videos to get people to subscribe to your channel. So what is important is that you share what you're going to be posting about on your YouTube channel so that your friends, family, and followers will know what to expect with your channel. And if it's something that interests them, they will want to subscribe to your channel and maybe let more people know about your channel as well. So the most important thing is having a clear message, several posts or videos to share with your audiences about why they should subscribe to your YouTube channel. So I'm sure many of you would have more than 1,000 people on your Facebook accounts, Instagram accounts, so it's not going to be too difficult to engage them. You want to aim to get as many of them to follow your call to action and subscribe to your YouTube channel. And the second way to get subscribers and watch hours very quickly is to post as much as possible, especially for the first few months of starting a YouTube channel. If possible, you can try even posting every day. So this might be a lot of work, but you can take time to produce these videos and then start your channel and post them up regularly. What this does is it really helps to kick in the YouTube algorithm to help them know that you are a creator that is very serious about your craft, and for your friends and family and followers to also realize that you're posting regular content, and if they want more, then they have to subscribe. So really nothing beats putting in that effort to post regularly, create content that is engaging, and most important, bring value and benefit for people. And my third tip is how to get your 4,000 watch hours faster. So many of you might be musicians if you're watching this, and you might be posting cover videos or original songs which are maybe 3 to 5 minutes long. So there's nothing wrong with posting 3 to 5 minute videos, but one thing I realized that really helped me to clock in the watch hours quickly was to film longer videos. So the YouTube algorithm favors videos that are longer as well because they can put in more ads eventually. So they definitely want to see longer videos rather than shorter videos. And if you are able to keep that one viewer engaged throughout a 20-minute video, that's going to allow you to clock in the hours much faster. So have a think about it to decide what type of videos could you shoot that will be long but still able to engage your audience. So the last point that I want to share today is something that really helped me to monetize my channel quickly, and that is through live streams. You know, when COVID hit and many people were going online and into live streams, I realized that was a huge opportunity to clock in my watch hours. So you can imagine if you do a 1-hour live stream and you manage to get 100 people to watch that live stream with you, that is 100 watch hours. And if you do that consistently 2 to 3 times a week, you're gonna hit your watch hours very quickly. So this, compared to putting out 2 to 3 minute videos, will take you many more videos to be able to hit your target. Really do consider live streams as a way to not only engage your audience and bring value to them, but to also quickly monetize your channel. So for me, I tried a crazy experiment. I was short of about 1,500 watch hours, and I decided to hold a 12-hour live stream, which you can watch. We'll leave the link in the description below. So with this 12-hour live stream, I created an online music festival where it was filled with live performances from people all around the world, as well as interviews and as well as performances by me over here in Singapore. It was a crazy idea and I really wanted to see if it would work. The amazing thing is, despite weeks of preparation, we were able to get about 200 people consistently watching throughout the 12-hour live stream. So in the end, I had about 1,800 watch hours just from that 12-hour live stream, which allowed me to monetize immediately. It crossed the target of the 1,500 hours that I was looking for. It was a crazy and radical idea. It took a lot of effort, but it was really fun. And I'm sure not many of you might want a live stream for 12 hours, but you can use that as an example of how you can quickly clock in your 4,000 watch hours through a live stream. So there you have it. There was 4 quick tips for you to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours quickly and monetize your channel. Now, nothing beats good sheer hard work. So keep recording those videos. Have a think about what you want to contribute through your YouTube channel, and hopefully you'll be able to not just monetize your channel, but to earn a good amount of passive income as you carry on your YouTube journey. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all notifications and you will not miss another video. And do let me know down in the comments if you have any other ways that you have tried for yourself and that allowed you to monetize your channel quickly. I would love to hear from you guys. So see you guys in the next video.